welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madalina and I am a huge fan of Apple. My phone, my laptop, my tablet, my watch, they are all from Apple, and I don't think I would ever go back to another brand. I recently got an Apple Watch Series 5 and I've been using this for 6 months, I think. And honestly, I got so addicted to it. I use it for so many things. I don't know how I used to live before without an Apple Watch. And with that being said, in today's video I will show you what you can do with your Apple Watch, or more exactly, what your Apple Watch can do. So the first thing that I use this Apple Watch is, of course, to check the time. But in addition to that, I use it a lot to track my calorie burn and my exercise time, working out time. So as you can see, my interface is with my calorie burn, the exercise time, the stand-up, the time, of course, the date and the day, because I never know what day it is. Weather, because this is important. I almost never go outside, and when I go to the store I just want to see what temperature is, if I should take a fluffy jumper or a t-shirt, and of course the working out app, because this is easy to reach, and if I go for a walk or for a run or for a bike ride, or I start working out at home, I just want to have everything that I use daily to be easily accessible. As you can see here on the right corner, I can find the workouts, and I can add here my most used ones. I can choose for a lot of different activities. They are in alphabetical order. Let's say I want to start with cardio. I just press it and it starts. I can pause it or end it. I can only change it after 1 minute, that way I don't have to end the workout. So let's say I want to do some burpees and some push-ups. I would just put cardio and do that, because if you want to do first push-ups and then burpees, then you have to do it for at least 1 minute, otherwise your workout will end. And what is awesome about this, it's that it gives you messages throughout the day, like, oh, by now you would be way further with your calorie burn, or you are missing 12 calories to close your ring, a 3-minute walk should do this, or stuff like that, which I found really useful, because sometimes I don't realize I'm missing like 2 calories and I'm going to sleep. So this way I can just start walking a bit, and then I burn the 2 calories, and then I can go to sleep knowing that I closed all my rings. The second thing that I do with my Apple Watch is my favorite. Why? Because I can control my camera with my Apple Watch. Let's say my phone is on the table in a very convenient position and I want to capture a moment. I go in the menu of my watch, find camera, and it will automatically open the camera on my iPhone. So what you see on your watch, you see on your phone too. Now I can press the middle button for a picture, press 3 seconds if I need some time to get ready, or I can hold the middle button for a series of how many pictures you want. And when I'm done taking pictures, I can just go to camera roll on my phone and check everything there to see if they look good or not. I mean, if I look good or not. Another useful thing that it's amazing. I lose my phone a lot of times, and it's probably under the blanket, or I forgot it upstairs, or it's just, I don't know, under my pillow. Probably it happened to you too. But with your Apple Watch, you can now find your phone really easy. So if I swipe up and I press this button here, my phone will start to make a sound. Now you won't ever lose your phone again. I can also access Safari pages with my Apple Watch. So you just ask Siri something, he or she finds it for you, and then you can just scroll through it and access it. So let's try this. Let's say if I'm looking for a fudge brownie recipe. Hey Siri.
I'm here.
Find me a fudge brownie recipe.
Here's what I found.
So it found all this recipe and you can just scroll through it and check it, see what you want to choose and then click on it and you can see the recipe, you can see the pictures, you can see everything here. So you can just start cooking now because the recipe will be with you all the time. Another thing that I can do with my Apple Watch is, let's say I'm washing the dishes and someone is calling me, I cannot just take my wet hand and put it on my phone, but I can do it with the Apple Watch because the Apple Watch is waterproof. You can actually swim with it. The 5th edition, I don't know about the other ones, but I can just answer and just talk. You can talk on your Apple Watch. Yes, it is on speaker, but if you have wireless headphones, you can use those instead. Hi. Hi. And then when you're done, then you can just change the conversation to the phone, because you can do that. You can change it from your phone to your Apple Watch and the other way around. I can also receive messages from WhatsApp, iMessage, normal text, Facebook and whatever other apps you're using for texting. The cool thing is that I can see them on my watch, I can open them and answer to them from my Apple Watch. So the watch has some pre-written messages here that you can choose if you want to answer fast, or you can record a message. Hi. For example, my watch is in English, but I am Romanian, so if I want to send a message, a voice message to my mom, it will not understand, because if it's preset to English, it will not understand Romanian. Ce faci? Wow, that is not what I said, and I feel offended now. Thanks, Siri. You have to talk in the language that your Apple Watch is set to. So you can set your watch in whatever language you want and then it will understand. You can also send emojis for a fast reaction, you can write by hand, or you can use the drawing feature. And the last thing that I'm gonna talk about, it's only for girls / women, because the watch can also track your period. Sorry guys, this is not for you. So it has this app called cycle tracking. You can put your own details regarding your menstrual cycle and it will let you know when your period will come. And you can put every month your details in it and it will let you know when your period will come. I don't know if that's helpful for you or not, but for me it is, because I never know when this happens. And if you put your symptoms and your details every month, then it will become more accurate. So these are my most used features from my Apple Watch. Let me know if you want to see more features that you can use on your Apple Watch every day, or other things that you can do with your Apple Watch. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!